What's up everybody and welcome to another video. My name is Ross Macfarlane coming to you from agency 3980, and in this video I'm going to be giving you an introduction into the native advertising platform MGID. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure to go ahead and hit that little subscribe button below and hit that little bell icon so you get notified each and every time that we post a video. We are always posting video content that's specifically designed around affiliate marketing, specifically with native ads. And if you want more information on our coaching and consulting program, I'll leave a little link in the description below. Whether you're just getting started with native ads or whether you're driving traffic and you're spending over 100k a month, we've got any needs that would suit you. But anyway, let's just dive straight in with this video. So, as you can see, I'm on the MGID dashboard. Now, the three main things that I want to look for when I'm looking at a direct source is the bidding strategy, what publishers they have, so to see which type of verticals that I want to run, and also I want to see how much traffic they've got. So, let's go ahead and just take a look here, see what we've got. So, first thing we've got here is publishers. Now, these are some really big publishers here. We've got MSN, The Week, Newsweek. We've got a lot of big publishers here. These are huge. So this is suggesting that they have a ton of traffic, which is a great start for this network. So that's awesome. We've got an absolute ton of traffic here with these big sites. Native ad format. So this is the way that our native ads are going to be shown on sites. And if you are new to the channel, what I'll do is I'll just quickly show you what actually a native ad is. So what this would be is, this is called theblaze.com. Now, this is a news website where what would happen is, as a native ad would be shown as, you see all these news articles, and the native ads are designed to blend into the website. So it would be scrolling down here, the user would be scrolling down, cold traffic, just looking to read a news article, and what you would see here is you would have something here that says sponsored by. Now this is an ad that has been sponsored by Rev Content, which is another native advertising platform, which we will do another video on also as well. So stay tuned for that. And what this is this is blending into the website. But what we want to do with our images when doing native ads is we want our images to pop. So as much as these images blend into the site, we want our images to pop so it catches the eye of the user, and then we can come up with our good headline copy, which is going to get the click. So that is what a native ad is, and that is how our ads would be shown on here, which MGID is showing us here. This is how it will be displayed on desktop, and this is how it will be displayed on mobile. Here's a little case study here of Domino's telling us that we're getting a CTR of almost 1%, which is awesome, and a CPC of 3 cents, which is absolutely insane. So obviously suggesting here that we've got a good quality of traffic. Pricing. Now, there's three types of pricing when running media buy-in with the native ads. We've got CPC, CPM, which is cost per 1,000 impressions, and we've got CPA, cost per acquisition. So this here is telling us that we will be running CPC campaigns with MGID. Now, CPM is more beginner friendly, CPC again beginner, slightly a little bit more advanced, and then CPA super advanced. And then targeting here is obviously the geo, which geo we're going to be running in. I am going to be diving into the back office and showing you how to find how much traffic there is in each geo, and also it shows you here like the operating systems, the browser, the traffic source, and the sub IDs and stuff. Traffic source being the placements. And campaign management, this would be also what you get with MGID is you get a dedicated account manager, which is absolutely critical in helping you succeed with your native advertising. So there's no more on here. So what I'm going to do is I've already got open one of the accounts that we use with the agency. This was just for running some test campaigns. So I'll just jump right in here just to save some time. So this is the dashboard. Nothing glamorous here. It's quite an old-fashioned dashboard. There's nothing much really to say on here. So what we want to look for is geos and traffic, because we know the bidding model. So what we want to find is how much traffic is within each geo. So let's go ahead and go and find that out. So what we would just do is we just go add campaign. And then we could just name the campaign as just example campaign 1. And campaign type, let's just put product promotions when running native, and category, let's go for everyone's favourite. You can see here we've got tons and tons of different tons and tons of different verticals here. So what we'll do is we'll just go medical health, diseases, and we'll just pick one. Why don't we just go diabetes? Cool. Campaign language, that's obviously we'll just pick English, and block before show. So what that means is that'll mean that when your when your campaign is approved, what that means is that it won't just go instantly live. It will be approved by the moderation team, and then it will just go on pause, and you can play the campaign or start the campaign at your leisure. So I would want that on if I was starting a campaign. So targeting, here we go here. This is the real juicy stuff. This is where we're finding out how much traffic that we've got. So what I'll do is I'll select the operating system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for desktop, right? So you can see here how this has took my traffic limitations down. And then what I want to do is jump back into geo, and I can go through each geo and see how much traffic I've got per geo. Anything under 1 million impressions a day wouldn't want to run, probably suggest that there's not enough traffic there, unless we were going super targeted with an offer. But of course, our offer is going to determine which geo that we're running in. We could be running different types of offers or different type of languages, so that would obviously going to depend on which type of geo that we're going to run in. But just for this example, we'll just use the USA and see how much traffic we've got in the USA. So we've got 17 million impressions per day for the USA, which is a lot of traffic. So cool. Other than that, let's move forward and I can show you a little bit more. So yeah, so this would be just setting budgets and stuff. So limits, what we would do here is just select budget, and then what we can do is we can just set this at 100 per day. There we go, it's already set. And then what we can do is overall limit, that can just be, say, 3,000, which we've already got there. And then we've got an option here within MGID to split the budget evenly throughout the day. Now, with some traffic sources, networks and stuff, what you will find is that you have to have a minimum spend before they'll let you spend evenly through the day. MGID are totally cool with whatever budget that you have, that they will let you spend your budget evenly through the day. So if you've got $240, for example, it's going to evenly spend $10 per hour each hour throughout the day, which is great for when we're looking at our data later down the line, because then we can optimize on our hour of the day, and it also gives us a better analysis of the data, instead of just waiting until the traffic's there and just blowing our budget as soon as the traffic's available. Tracking stats, so this here will just be like a simple click URL here, yeah, previously from the previous campaigns we run. Conversion sensors, we can just leave this off because there's no need to track through MGID unless you want to do that specifically. You can set that up with your account manager. The account managers with MGID are absolutely awesome. The support system is awesome. We with the agency work with MGID. We have a good relationship with them, and we know that a lot of the account managers and stuff are absolutely awesome. So what I would do is just go ahead and save this. So I know my traffic, I know my, and I want to see my CPC model, which is CPC bid, so which I know is a CPC model. So I'll create my first ad, and I can show you how to go on and put the first bid. So this would be campaign URL, which you would find from your tracker. The title would be your headline title. So we've got here just some ones that we've run before. For examples, your image would be your creative. So that would be, we would just find that here. And the resolution size is 1200 by 800 for adding in your creative. Now MGID, it looks like they've got different effects here. So we can run like the sharpen effect, saturation effect. You can pick and choose and see which one's better for you. And once I add that in here, what's going to happen is it's going to give me a recommended CPC. So look, let's say 3 cents. It's going to tell me how much reach I'm going to get. So I've already selected the geo. I've selected the vertical, which is here, which is the diabetes, which is Nutra, and it's telling me with a 3 cent bid that I'm going to get very low traffic. So that's cool. That's everything that we need to know. That's exactly what we need to know, is we need to know which type of traffic, which type of verticals, how basically how to set up the campaign. So cool. So this is this introduction into MGID. I hope you enjoyed this introduction video. If you did like the video, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you do want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you get notified each and every time that we post a video. And also, if you do want to know more about us and our agency, I'll leave a little link in the description below. You can find out all about us. But other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.